Alright, so for today's project you're going to need a 4-ply worsted weight yarn. I'm using this 100% cotton yarn, but you can use acrylic or whatever kind you'd like. And then you'll also need a 5mm crochet hook. That's the letter H. And today we're going to make this really simple Barbie dress. It's just a short, simple dress that goes out at the waist and is spaghetti strapped. Alright, so let's get started. You're going to take your yarn and we need to do a slip knot to begin. So I'm going to do it by wrapping it around my finger and then pulling the length of the yarn from the top down through the loop and pulling it tight. Then you'll insert your hook into the loop and pull the length of the yarn to tighten it around your hook. To start, we're going to do a chain of 25. Now you're going to join with the beginning chain to form a circle. I do mine with 2 of the loops on the top, and then you'll have 1 on bottom. Then you're just going to wrap your yarn over and pull through all of the yarn. Now you'll have a circle, and this will be your foundation chains. Alright, for the first row we're going to chain 1, and then we're going to do 1 single crochet in each stitch around.